Well, we came to this year's engineering open house event because we came last summer. The children were absolutely enthralled by everything that was going on. It was so interesting. And as soon as they saw it advertised in school, they wanted to come back.
We brought some students into our new office to run an activity about Da Vinci bridges and also the Dragon's Den to get the kids thinking about the ways of communicating with prospective clients and collaborators that they might be working on in projects in the future.
It's been really great to have the kids come back into Ofcom and how incredibly enthusiastic they've been in all that they've seen and they have taken part in. It's been superb to see so many children come in and enjoy themselves.
Our favourite part was probably at the beginning where there was this robotic arm which you controlled with your left hand and how it was like built to only be used by your left hand and that you couldn't use it with your right hand.
Probably be able to see like all the cabling behind like Wi-Fi and broadband, because something's just like so instant and convenient, and then you just see like this mountain of cables that it has to go through. It's just insane.
My favourite thing I've seen today is the engagement from our students, the fun they've had actually talking to people in the industry and getting these ideas, just sort of tiny little dusts, if you will, in their brains of what they could go on and do, and it's going to be building on that in the years to come and trying to get as many of them as we can into STEM careers.
And by having an engineering open house day, we're letting people find out about what they can do at such a young age that they can really shape the future that they want to see. I know we face a lot of challenges moving forward, things like climate change, they're all big issues, and if we can create the engineers of tomorrow by helping them today, then we've done our job.